Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 3rd, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Dr. Seuss. There's a Wocket in My Pocket by Dr. Seuss. Did you ever have the feeling there's a wasket in your basket? Or a neuro in your bureau? Or a wasit in your closet? Sometimes I feel quite certain there's a jertin in the curtain. Sometimes I have the feeling there's a lock behind the clock. And that Zelf up on that shelf, I have talked to him myself. That's the kind of house I live in. There's a nink in the sink. And a zamp in the lamp. And they're rather nice, I think. Some of them are very friendly, like the yacht in the pot. But that yottle in the bottle, some are friendly, some are not. I like the zabel on the table and the gare under the chair. But that bofa on the sofa, well, I wish he wasn't there. All those nubbards in the cupboards, they're good fun to have about. But that noothbrush on my toothbrush, him I could do without. The only one I'm really scared of is that bug under the rug. And that quimney up in the chimney, I don't like him, not at all. And it makes me sort of nervous when the Zal scoots down the hall. But the yeps on the steps, they're great fun to have around. And so are many, many other friends that I have found. Like the teller and the neller and the geller and the deller and the beller and the weller and the zeller in the cellar. And the geeling on the ceiling. And the zower in my shower. And the Zillow on my pillow. I don't care if you believe it. That's the kind of house I live in, and I hope we never leave it. The end. We're going to make a Wocket in a pocket, and what you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which is just a Wocket and a pocket. And this opens up so that you can stick your Wocket inside. Well, you can deal with that later, or now. So the Wocket goes right inside the pocket. And all you'll need for this is, I have crayons. You can use markers, coloring pencils, paints, whatever you want. I'm going to make my pocket blue. So I'm just going to color it. And then I'm going to color my Wocket. I'm going to give him orange hair, orange yellow hair, and a green body. And I'm going to go ahead and color both sides of the pocket. And maybe even both sides of the Wocket. So that when you see him from behind, he still looks like a Wocket. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off while I finish coloring. And then we'll come back and put them in. Alright, I'm all done coloring. I colored my Wocket. I colored both sides. Gave him some orangey yellow hair. Colored both sides of my pocket. And now it's ready to just go inside. Oops. Does not want to stay open. That's okay. We'll slide him in. And there he is. I've got a Wocket in my pocket.